Hey, welcome back to South London Repair. What we're gonna do now is a HUAWEI MateView GT, a 34-inch curved screen which has a built-in speaker in the stand. Actually, I like the style and the customer really loved this monitor. Unfortunately, it had a little accident and the screen need to be replaced. Spoiler alert, the new monitor also have a broken screen, so it's not gonna happen, so it's gonna be just a disassembly video. So first you want to put something soft. I have a pillow for that case. Also, if I have to sometimes stay a little bit longer, then I can take a little nap in the shop, because yeah, sometimes I'm working even 10 o'clock. All right, remove the stand, one bottom. There is the speaker connection, what I really love, and we have, of course, a few screws. So let's take a look and start removing these screws. They are at least standard Phillips. I'm really happy with that one. Number 3. Number 4. And we have one more under this white, like a warranty sticker or something, you know, so they know you open it up. I try to remove it nicely, sometimes you can, not in this case, okay, it's no chance. So just making a hole in it and remove the screw. Okay, what do we have here? Just clips or something else? Let's just take a look on the bottom and get a T5 Torx 5 screwdriver, because we have a few screws there as well. It's black on black, not easy to spot. Pay attention. At least I love the painting on these, so even when I remove them, you can't see the scratch marks on the screws. Sometimes you even take a bad look on the screws and it's drop down the paint. By the way, not a bad monitor, so it's an oldie. The customer have for a couple of years, which is better than, you know, LG and MSI monitor. MSI is using LG screen, and they usually dry after 3-4 years if you're using on high frequency. Never mind. All right, so opening. You try to pray up a little bit, and after use a little force, not too much. Nice, steady movement. You have a lot of clips. On the bottom is none, so that is just the screws. So you just have to go through on this 3 side, top and the sides. If you can't find the clip, just go over, come back. You can do it later. They are evenly spread. And don't worry, not much there what you can damage. The screen itself is protected with a big chunk of plastic. There where it is the clips, and after the metal on the back side of the screen, so only thing what you can do is break the clips on the back and this cover. But if you're doing similar movement that I do now, you probably not gonna do that. If you open the Samsung QLED TV in the last few years, it's the same thing. almost, or a frame, or any gaming monitor which is extra wide. They're all the same. You just need patience. Sometimes you can lift up a little bit the plastic and you can see where it's still stuck. So you know you missed a clip. Unfortunately, it's not really good for your back. It's much easier if you have a desk what you can go around. Not in my case. For that one, we're gonna need a bigger shop, which is not an option at the moment. Here we go. You see, obviously you have a cable going to the speaker connection, which is taped down, so loose up the tape. Loose up the connector, covered with tape, so that tape as well, and after disconnect it. It's quite simple. Nothing major going there. Now we have other connections, obviously here. Some of them is the usual flip connection, like on the other side as well. Some of them just you just pinch on the two sides and you just pull it out. Very nice cables, by the way. Not easy to rip. I love it. And another clip. On the top, LCD connector is the standard. You push from the two sides. You pull it out. Try not to pull from the wire side. And we have the shielding tape. It's for grounding purposes. 1 and 2. Now many gaming monitor is stopped there, so you don't have screws. But HUAWEI made the extra effort and actually they use screws here. Just normal Phillips, nothing special. And 1 and 2. And 3 and 4. I can't see any more screws, so let's try to lift up. Yeah, we're gonna loose up the cables, so once it's get loose, at least it's not gonna rip off the wires. Is anything under the tape? Nope. Nope. Okay, then here we go. Oh yeah, thermal pads, massive thermal pads. Just like a Dell monitor, what last time is went into smokes. So there is the board if you need to order or find a replacement one. Unfortunately, it's happened with other people that the board got fried. Yeah, that's it. Now I try to get out the other one from the box. It was very well packaged, but as you can see on the corner, yeah, somebody hit that one, isn't it? You cheated on eBay. Really not nice. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. I hope you liked this. Bye.